Discovering your why. You can have many goals in life. Big goals, small goals, health goals, financial goals, etc. But just having a goal is not enough. It doesn't guarantee that you will manage to achieve it. You can try achieving your goals with willpower, but that's not sustainable. What you really need is a why. A why so big that it gets you out of bed in the morning and keeps you up late at night. A why is the reason behind the goal or dream. Firstly, what does it take for you to get excited about life? How do you reignite the flame of passion, excitement, and joy? What excites you? What do you love to do? What do you find joy in doing? Take about an hour off from the hustle and bustle of life. Sit at your favorite, most comfortable spot with your journal in front of you and play some light music in the background. If you had all the money, time, and energy in the world, what would you do with it? Pen down your thoughts and let them flow. Keep dreaming and writing everything that comes to mind. Think bigger and bigger without placing any boundaries in yourself. Now, there are no limitations. Feel the joy in the moment and smile. Find the excitement of seeing yourself being, doing, and having anything you want. And once you have a bunch of ideas written down, start looking for repeating themes and begin crafting the big dream of your life that you want to achieve. Something powerful that would inspire you whenever you think about it. Once you have your big why, you can start setting smaller goals to help you reach it.